We begin our tour along the Cocohatchee Canal, which parallels Immokalee Road and Piper Boulevard. And here we start our tour just east of Airport Road, and we pass under the Airport Road Bridge. Just west of the Airport Road Bridge, we pass through some commercial development along the Palm River neighborhood. This area is along Piper Boulevard, which parallels Immokalee Road and the Cocohatchee Canal. Palm River Park is a nice little greenway which features a walking path as well as benches to stop for a rest and little statues of the astrological signs around every corner. The park features a launch for canoes, kayaks, and other non-motorized watercraft. Palm River Park totals 1 mile in length, and the canal along this section makes for an excellent rowing lane. And here we pass the Fairways Inn and the La Playa Golf Resort, which is right at the Palm River Boulevard Bridge. The dam up ahead marks the end of the upper portion of the canal and must be portaged to get to the saltwater portions of the lower canal. Here along the lower canal you will encounter more boats, as this is now a Gulf access waterway. It's here that the canal departs Immokalee Road, veers northwest, and becomes the Cocohatchee River as we pass by the North Colliers Hospital. The neighborhoods along this section feature homes with serene river views. Trees and other shoreline vegetation line the riverbank behind the North Colliers Hospital. It is along this section that the homes and buildings blend seamlessly into the natural setting. As we continue downriver, we come to the confluence where the Cocohatchee River gets a major boost from the Palm River. And right now we make a turn up the Palm River. As we continue up the Palm River, you'll notice the whole area has an old Florida river feel. This is different from a lot of the waterfront here in Southwest Florida, as the waterfront here does not have seawalls and other bulkheading along the shoreline. Everything here along the shoreline is designed to blend the natural and built environment. This section has a very Jungle Cruise-like feel, the water perfectly mirroring the tree canopy above. As we approach the dam at the head of the lower section of the Palm River, this impedes upstream navigation, so at this point we turn around. And as we begin our journey down the Palm River, we pass by a rope swing. What more could Huckleberry Finn want? As we come back to where we started on the Palm River, we enter the Cocohatchee River again and begin our journey downstream once more. The river continues through the Palm River neighborhood until we reach the Colliers Reserve Boulevard Bridge and we enter the Colliers Reserve neighborhood. You will notice more mangroves along this section as we approach the tide waters. The Colliers Reserve neighborhood features some magnificent waterfront homes, all with Gulf access boat dockage. The Colliers Reserve Clubhouse features a dock along the river as well as riverfront views from the dining room and a canoe and kayak launch. And here we turn around and we head up a little side canal off of the Cocohatchee River. This little side canal leads upstream to the south over towards the Arthrex building. And here we pass under Colliers Reserve Boulevard once again. And we head south more towards Immokalee Road. We pass by the Remington Reserve neighborhood. And then we pass under Immokalee Road. And we end our journey at the Arthrex building.